Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, in these sessions we are going to discuss the another stereoisomerism, name is optical isomerism. Already in my previous session I successfully completed the complete information regarding to the geometrical isomerism, cis and trans. But in this session, the second stereoisomerism, that is called optical isomerism. Now see here the complete information regarding to the optical isomerism. See Nana, a coordination compound which can rotate the plane polarized light is said to be optically active. It means if any one of the coordination compound, the light polarized on plane that said be optically active. For example, you take one of the coordination compound, you passes through the light that is polarized. The light is polarized and rotated the structure, that is the optically active. So that is the most important. But any one of the compound not rotated and plane polarized on the passing of light, that is not a optically active. So see carefully, a coordination compound which can rotate the plane polarized light is said to be optically active. So if any one of the compound after passing the light, they are easily to rotate the plane polarized, that is called optically active. Now when the coordination compound have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different in their ability to rotate the directions of the plane of polarized light are said to be exhibited as a optical isomerism. So what is the optical isomerism, my dear students? The coordination compound have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but differ in the ability of rotation, compound rotation after plane polarized of the light. Any one of the coordination compound on plane polarized light, if you pass the light on the particular coordination compound product, if it's rotated directions of the compound, those isomerism is called optical isomerism. Once again see Nana, when the coordination compound, see carefully, when the coordination compound have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but differ in their ability to rotate directions of the plane of polarized light are said to be exhibited optical isomerism. Okay, the optical isomerism are pair of molecule which are non-superimposable mirror image of each other. So definitely which we know one of the compound are involved in the optical isomerism, definitely they are showing the mirror images. So non-superimposable mirror images are showing. So ultimately my dear student, the compound, the coordination compound have same molecular formula and same structural formula, but different their ability to rotate the directions of the plane of polarized light, it's said to be optical isomerism. Generally optical isomerism compounds are non-superimposable mirror images are each to other. If you two opposite directions are there, that is called generally superimposable mirror images are there. Now see here, the essential requirement for a substances to be optically active is that the substances should not have a plane of symmetry. and center of the symmetry, that is most important. The essential requirement for a substances to be optically active. In the optically active substances, the most important point enna is that the substance should not have a plane of symmetry. So in optically active compound, substances should not have plane of the symmetry and center of the symmetry. The isomerism which rotate plane polarized light to right direction or clockwise direction. See now carefully, the isomers which rotates the plane polarized light to the right direction or clockwise direction, it terms as a dextrorotatory. Dextrorotatory. Listen very carefully. The isomers which rotated the plane polarized light to right direction or clockwise direction, it's called dextrorotatory compound. And while the isomers which rotated the plane of polarized light to left direction is termed as the LEVO or L. So if any one of the compound, the light rotated to the clockwise direction, that is called dextro, and rotated to the anti-clockwise direction or left side, that is called LEVO. So my dear student, in generally optical isomerism compound, optically active isomerism compound, generally they are showing to the two different of the isomerism and super, non-super impossible mirrors such as dextrorotatory compounds and levorotatory compound. What is a dextrorotatory compound? Generally light to clockwise direction and right side direction, and levo means light to left side direction or anti-clockwise direction. This kind of the compounds are generally, the two optical active isomers are collectively called enantiomers. Most important, Nana, what is the enantiomers actually? The same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different their rotation in dextrorotation and levo-rotation. That phenomena it's called enantiomers. In board level or generally in commutative entrance level, which following the compound can show enantiomers? Enantiomers means the same molecular formula, same structural formula, but but here the different in their rotation of the directions of plane of polarized. If the right side polarized means dextro, left side polarized means levo. So this kind of the word is commonly called enantiomers. Enantiomers means only one molecular formula can be existed dextro position, also levo position. That type of the compounds are generally called enantiomers. Now see one more important point, my dear students. Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images to each other and their physically and chemically properties are same. So already I said very clearly, optical isomerism shown by the generally same molecular formula, same structural formula, but the ability to rotate the directions of the plane of polarized light are said to be optical isomerism. And optical isomerism coordination compounds are generally to show dextrorotatory and levorotatory. Dextrorotatory means the light polarized to the clockwise direction, and levorotatory means the light polarized to the anti-clockwise direction. So these two category of the compounds are commonly known as enantiomers. But here see important point is enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images to each other and their physical and chemical properties are same. So here any one of the coordination compounds show dextro and levorotatory based on the light polarization, but their physical and chemical properties are similar, but their positions of positions of structures are different because of based on the light polarization. If light polarization is clockwise direction, dextro compound is existed, and light position is the right side, left side is the levo position is existed. So then chemical properties and physical properties are same. Okay, Nana? So that is the most important. Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images to each other and their physically and chemically properties are same, but directions of rotations of the plane polarized light is different. Now, optical isomerism is expected in the tetrahedral complexes only. Most important ma, optical isomerism. For example, 4 coordination compounds are there na. In the 4 coordination compounds, square planar complexes are there, also tetrahedral complexes are there. From the 4 coordination compounds, square planar, tetrahedral, only tetrahedral complexes only existed, only tetrahedral complexes are only existed the optical isomerism. That is a most important point, Nana. In case of the 4 coordination compounds, only tetrahedral complexes are existed, 4 coordination compound category of the optical isomerism. It's a clear, Nana? Now see here, a tetrahedral of the type M, A, B, C, D, but optical isomerism has been isolated until now. Okay, na? So keep it in your mind. In generally optical isomerism, coordination number 4 compound and coordination number 6 compounds are existed, but coordination number 4 category of the compound, 2 different shapes of complexes are there. Number 1 square planar complexes, number 2 tetrahedral complexes. In case of the square planar complexes, the square planar complexes, all the 4 ligands are central metal atom lie in the same plane. Therefore, the possessed plane or axis of the symmetry and are generally not chiral in the nature. So this way, optical isomerism is not common in the square planar complexes, and it is a very rarely observed. So generally not observed in square planar complex does not show the optical isomerism because of symmetry arrangements are there. But already I said very clearly, in the 4 coordination number, one more structure is the tetrahedral manner. So tetrahedral complexes, organic compound having asymmetric tetrahedral carbon atom are generally optically active. Therefore, it is expected that the tetrahedral complex with 4 different ligands attaches to the central metal atom. That's why the complex M, A, B, C, D easily to exhibited the optically active. However, it has not been possible to resolve optically active in the D and LEO forms. Okay, Nana? So that's why, my dear student, from the 4th coordination number category of the compounds showing 2 different type of the structures, square planar and tetrahedral, but square planar not existed the optical isomerism, but only tetrahedral complexes are existed to the optical isomerism. Clear, Nana? Now see here the flow chart regarding to the optical isomerism. See, Nana, optical isomerism 2 categories is there. Tetra coordinated means coordination number is 4. Aprama hexa coordinated means 6 coordination number. In case of, already I clearly explained, tetra coordination category, tetrahedral, only tetrahedral is existed. It's like especially M, A, B, C, D category. M, A, B, C, D category, only this type of the complex only existed tetrahedral. But in the tetra coordination, it means 4 coordination number, one more structure is there, square planar. Square planar not existed in the optical isomerism because of due to the symmetry, due to the most important objective bit, Nana. Why square planar structure not existed in the optical isomerism from the coordination number 4th category? Reason is due to symmetry. But especially in the 4 coordination number category, tetrahedral manner compounds are existed. That's only for M, A, B, C, D. Because of different type of ligands are there here. M, A, B, C, D is only existed in the tetrahedral manner. Okay, Nana? Now, see here. In this example, in this category of the example, you know that very well, only one ligand, only one central metal atom, 4 different type of the ligands are there. 4 different type of the ligands are there. Now see, hexa coordinated, it's nothing but the coordination number is a 6. Coordination number is a 6. Here, these compounds only 2 existed. From the 6 coordination number of octahedral. Octahedral ma, hexa coordination numbers are generally octahedral manner. Now see here carefully what kind of the complexes types are existed in the optical isomerism from the hexa coordination number or 6 coordination number. First one MAA3 plus or minus n. Second one MA2B2C2 plus or minus 1. Here MAA central metal atom M, AA3 plus or minus 1. Next second one MA2B2C2 plus or minus n. Next third one MABCDEF plus or minus n. So you counted here generally the coordination number 6 AA3. So 3 3 plus 6. Here 2 2 2 6. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. MABCDF. Next here MAA2 X2. This is also existed optical isomerism, and this one is also MAA X2 Y2 plus or minus n, and final compound is MAB2 plus or minus n. Compounds also existed optical isomerism from the coordination number 6, from the coordination number 6. Now I will write some example here, only 2 examples because of there is no space in the board. So remaining example you try to draw structures optical isomerism, and already I given one question in my previous session to draw the structure of geometrical isomerism last category. What is that last category? See, already I gave MAA to A2 the. Okay, now see here structure, some important structures about MAA3 plus or minus. The best example trioxalate chromium 3 the. Okay, now see carefully na, trioxalate chromium 3 the. Now in this example point of view, see carefully, in this complex type, this type 3 symmetrical bidentate chelate ligands. 3 symmetrical bidentate chelate ligands. What is a chelate ligands? In my next class I clearly explain. So see here, in this complexes 3 symmetrical bidentate chelate ligands AA are coordinated to the central metal atom M. AA to coordinated with the central metal atom M. Next one, such complex do not possess any element of the symmetry and are optically active. So here symmetry is not possible, that's why it is a optically active. Moreover, these complexes can be resolved into the optical isomerism. That's why, my dear student, here it's not showing to the symmetrical arrangement, that's why it's showing to the optical arrangement. The best example of this category, trioxalate chromium 3 the. So now see here, this is the chromium is central metal atom, OX stands for oxalate. Instead of C2O4 I put here OX. It is a shortcut method, OX, oxygen and oxygen. So here OX, this entire the combination is normally oxalate. Here how many oxalates are there? This is one oxalate, this is one oxalate, this is one oxalate. It's a D form. Already I said what is a D form? Dextrorotatory form. Dextrorotatory form is nothing but clockwise direction. So here what happened, dextrorotatory means because of the light to right direction or clockwise direction. So this is a D form. And similarly mirror images, already I said non superimposable mirror image. In the compound you will show into the mirror, this compound turns as like this one. So that's why these 2 compounds are enantiomers and mirror image possible. Now see here, where is located? In this place 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now here 1 2, this, see, observe here linkage is the dextro form, but in the LEO form here is there. Clear ma? Now this one is a L form is a LEO form. So now see here carefully, 3 ligands arranged. This is one ligand, this is one ligand, this is one ligand. It's not a symmetrical, that's why they are showing to the optical isomerism. They are showing to optical isomerism. Next, the second example seen from the optical isomerism category of hexa coordinated MAA to A2 plus or minus. The best example is COCl to En2. Okay now? Now here see carefully in this example. The complexes in which two symmetrical bidentate chelated ligand AA. So the complexes in which two symmetrical bidentate chelated ligands AA and two monodentate ligand A are coordinated to the central metal atom M, central metal atom N. Also exhibited the phenomena of the optical isomerism and can be resolved into their optical isomerism. In this category example is COCl to En plus. It exhibited both geometrical as well as the optical isomerism. This type of the compounds are exhibited both one. What is the both one? Geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Its cis form, it is a unsymmetrical while the trans form is a symmetrical. In case of the geometrical isomerism, it's so unsymmetrical. It is a cis form of unsymmetrical while the trans form of symmetrical. It contains a plane symmetry. Hence, in optical isomerism point of view, it show by cis form only. The cis form has been resolved into D and L form. The D and L form along with the optical inactive trans form of the shown in the figure. So now my dear student, in this type of the complexes are generally show geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In case of the geometrical isomerism, cis form to show unsymmetrical position and trans forms to show symmetrical position. But in the optical isomerism point of view, cis form only existed. Okay na? So now see example here. This is a D form and also cis. This is one D form. In the optical point of view, this is the D form. But geometrical point of view, cis form, because En is located in the one direction. Okay. Is a D form in the optical point of view and geometrical point of view cis. Now this one, this one also cis. There is no any difference. This is a cis, this is a cis because of En. But this one is a D form, this one is a LEO form. Clear na? But this kind of the arrangement, it's not possible into the optical isomerism. So optically inactive transform. Okay ma? Now in this session I successfully completed entire the optical isomerism. Okay na? Entire the optical isomerism. You will try to draw remaining complex type of the structures. See your textbook, any reference textbook, and also available in the reference textbook different type of the optical isomerism. So I clearly explained the complete isomerism from geometrical isomerism, and geometrical means is the is category of structural isomerism and geometrical isomerism, stereoisomerism. Okay ma? Now last 3-4 classes I completed entire the isomerism, and tomorrow onwards I will go to start the most important part in coordination chemistry, bonding in coordination chemistry. There are different type of the theories are there according to the explanation of the coordination compound bonding. Number one is the valency bond theory, crystal field theory, Lagrange field theory, and molecular orbital theory. So these theories are, I will start tomorrow onwards. And my dear students, the first 16 videos are very important based on the rules and regulations of the coordination compound, and tomorrow onwards the theory. What are the theory? How to form bonding in between of the coordination compound based on different type of theories are there. So tomorrow onwards I will go to start these theories. Okay ma?